Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to shade drawings with pencil the easy way. We'll go through step-by-step techniques that bring your sketches to life, even if you're just starting out. Let's start simple. I'm using an HB pencil for the first technique called hatching. Here, I'm shading in one direction only. Clean, steady strokes. Keep your hand relaxed and your lines evenly spaced. Now, to build up tone, I switch to a darker 3B pencil. You can already see how the contrast begins to add volume. Let's move on to the second technique, cross-hatching. This time, I layer lines in a different direction, crossing over the first. Cross-hatching instantly gives your drawing more density and depth. Perfect for sketching shapes like cubes, faces, or shadows. Remember this simple rule: light follows shadow. Wherever light hits, your shading gets lighter, and wherever it fades, deepen your tones. That balance is what makes your art feel three-dimensional. Try mixing different pencils, H for lighter tones, and B or 3B for darker ones, until you find your own shading rhythm. And that's how you shade drawings with a pencil, using hatching, cross-hatching, and simple control over light and shadow. Remember to be consistent with speed while shading. Be gentle with your speed when layering your paper. Go with same consistent slow speed, and build up your speed when you have control. Don't pull pencil too fast. And that's how you shade drawings with a pencil, using hatching, cross-hatching, and simple control over light and shadow. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more art tutorials and sketching techniques. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing.